My name is Faronda. I'm the owner of the Cake Drip here in Hyatt Park Village, and we are a DIY dessert boutique. So Cake Drip is actually a spinoff of our kids' cooking schools. I have locations in St. Louis and Los Angeles, and I normally teach cooking classes from ages 2 to 17. I started that when my daughter was really young, and as soon as she finished high school, I wanted to do something for adults. I wanted to have fun, so Cake Drip was created. So there is a lot of female business owners that I have met. Before, I really didn't pay attention to it in any of my other locations, but since being here in Tampa, women have been like doing their thing here. There's so many female business owners and so many cool concepts here in Tampa, and everybody is supportive of each other. So I love that female power for sure. So every time you come, there will be a different experience. You don't have to try the same thing. If you love it, go right ahead, but there's new things to try. There's always a vibe here at Cake Drip.